Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be at this time. I'm your host, Dave, here at the Arizona Model Shop, and I'd like to show you something I picked up. I actually ordered it last month, but you got your workspace in here, and you're trying to do photo etch or put small parts on, and you're trying to balance it and hold it. Well, I found this cool thing. It's actually off of Etsy, and it is a holder. And the nice thing about it is it's modular. So these things slide here, and so do these here. And this particular one will hold, ships up to 200 down to 700 scale and hold them for you. It is one of those laser cut ones that you have to put together. The only drawback is it does ship out of the Ukraine, and it takes a little while to get, about 3 weeks or so. The guy is great customer service who I got it through, and so, and I also want to share that they have these for you car guys. So if you need a steady hand or a place to hold one, they have one for cars, they have ones for planes and tanks, and I will put pictures of all three in there, and of course put a link in the description for you. But for the ship guys, or if you're doing one, I took some extra little pieces that were laying off the end. I'll turn this sideways here, right here, and I glued them on. They're just little knockouts that come out of the little pieces, just to give the sides a little more stability. Since the 200s are heavy, and I will demonstrate with, if I can get the Arizona in here. This thing's so big. Well, I guess I got to slide that one out. So those little wing nuts on the bottom there, and slides out. There we go. And the nice thing is you can actually tilt this towards you. I think it's going to be a great addition for me, especially when doing photo etch. I don't have to hold the ship and try to put photo etch on the same time, or just leaning over and doing that. But yeah, so I will put those in there. I thought it was a great little tool to help us out, help me out at least. As we get older, we don't get as steady as we used to, but it's there. And to show you, it's just wing nuts, and these turn, these flip, so you can bring it over at an angle to work on it. And it's just wing nuts. I mean, no glue required. You can, like I say, I glued the extra ones on there, but otherwise, and then the ruler does come out to make it easier to slide and make it tighter. And then it comes with the centimeters. Of course, I don't know the metric system that well. I'm old school, so. But yeah, so I thought I'd share this with you. It's on Etsy. It's called Mad Model Studios. I will put a link in there, and the actual builder is LMG Laser Model Graver, and they are also out of the Ukraine. So, like I say, great tool. I'm looking forward to when I get into more delicate stuff with some of these ships. I will have an extra pair of hands. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're looking for a shop card, I have plenty of them. Emails at the end, and you all have a good day.